Very good morning. Today I discuss about another chapter. Chapter name is training in sports. So everybody know about this one. So we are going to discuss about the strength training, endurance training, speed training, flexibility training, coordinative ability, and circuit training. So first of all, I discuss about the what is training, uh, sports training. The word is training is not a new word. People have been using since uh, Eric periods. Training means the process of preparations for some tasks, but here our main task is fitness and coordinations of our body for sports and games. It is for the reason that is term is frequently used in sports and games. Hence, it's called sports training. Okay, and then sports training is the main components and the basic form of preparations for sports persons for the competition. In another word, it is the systematically planned preparations with the help of various exercise. So this is called a sports training, and after that, discuss. This is what the sports training is. Sports training is a main component and the basic form of preparation of the postman. That is already said, and it is the systematically planned preparation with the help of various exercise. Next one is the strength. So there are some components. First component we discuss about the strength. Uh, strength. What is strength? So according to the Barrow and uh, Barrow and Maggie said that strength is the capacity of the whole body or any of its part to exert force. That is called the strength. And you can say muscular strength is the force that is muscular or group of muscles can exert against a resistance in one maximum effort. That is called a strength, you can say. And also you say that the amount of force a muscle and muscle group can exert, that's called strength. And the type of strength, there are the two type of strength, one is dynamic strength, one is static strength. So what is dynamic strength? Dynamic strength is can be called isotonic strength. It is related to the movement, example the pull up and push up. And static strength, it is called isometric strength. It is ability to muscles to act against the resistance, that's called is isotonic sports or weightlifting. And then after that I'm discuss about the uh, dynamic strength. There are the three type of dynamic strength. One is maximum strength, explosive strength, and strength endurance. So what is maximum strength? It is the ability to act against the maximum resistance. For example, the weightlifting, shot put, hammer throw, discus throw, etc. Starting and acceleration presses in sprinting event, and takeoff in long jump, high jump, and pole vault. That is called the maximum strength. And explosive strength, it is can be defined as the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. In fact, it is a combination of strength and speed abilities. That is, for example, the short put, discus, javelin, long jump, triple jump, etc. And the strength endurance, it is the combination of the strength and endurance ability. Strength endurance can be defined as ability to overcome resistance to act against under condition of fatigue. Okay, so this is called the strength endurance. For example, long distance races, swimming, and road cycling. So there are the type of dynamic strength. So maximum strength basically for the weightlifter, shot put, and hammer throw is there. And the explosive strength, it's basically for the ability to overcome the resistance to high speed. Short put, limb throws, and long jump, they are applying this type of explosive strength. And the strength endurance definitely the strength and endurance ability. It's mainly for the long distance races, swimming. Those are in swimming. There need this type of strength endurance and road cycling. Okay, and next one is talking about the method. So method of improving strength, there are the three type of method improving the strength. First method is isometric exercise. then isotonic, then isokinetic. So first discuss about the isometric. So what is isometric exercise? Isometric exercise are those exercises which are not visible. In fact, there are no direct movement, hence they cannot observe. When these exercises are done, muscles do not change their length. Again I repeat, when these exercises are done, muscle do not change their lengths. For example, push a concrete wall, okay, or you can say push up or pull up the table. Okay, the next one is isotonic exercise. These exercises are those exercises in which the movement can be seen directly. Here movement can be seen directly. Work in done in this exercise. Isotonic exercise tone of the muscles become flexible, length of the muscles can be increased by isotonic exercise. So here muscles become flexible, muscles exercise tone of the muscles, and length of the muscles can be increased by isotonic exercise. For example, the calisthenics exercise, calisthenics means the empty hand exercise, the running and jumping on the spot, weight training exercise. This is for the example of the isotonic exercise for the improving the strength. uh, then this is the for example of this one, look at that, the pushing the wall isometric exercise. Then look at that, that plank positions, there are also isometric exercise. Then look at that bicep, showing their bicep, that is called is isotonic exercise. Also turnout is going on. Okay, then next one I'm talking about the isokinetic exercise. Isokinetic exercise are performed on specially designed the machine, that is perform on to specially designed the machine. Then tonic exercise, contraction of muscles apply maximal forces only at a particular angle of its range of movement. So this is the isotonic exercise, mainly the contraction of the muscles apply maximum forces only at the particular angle of its range of movement. Whereas in isokinetic exercise, contraction of muscles apply maximum force throughout the complete range of movement. Look at that. First I will discuss about the isotonic exercise, that contraction of the muscle apply the maximum force only at the particular angle of its range of movement. And here this isokinetic is that muscles apply maximum force throughout the complete range of the movement. So this is called the isokinetic exercise. So isokinetic exercise, there are some meaning of this three method. One is isometric, means the same. Metric means referred to the muscle strength. Isotonic means same. Tonic means muscle tone, and isokinetic means same, and iso means same, and kinetic means motion. Okay, so there are the some meaning of this method of strength development. And for example of this is the example of the isokinetics. So we need apparatus for improving the strength, this type of method when they are using while they are using. Okay, so already I've discussed about the three method of improving the strength, that is called as isokinetic exercise, and then isometric exercise and isotonic exercise. Okay, so these are the method for improving the strength. So up to this much, any queries, anything you have any queries, then you can ask me now. Okay, thank you everyone.